Identifying here today, I'm identifying each different network that we have in this physical topology here, right behind me that I just drew on a board. First network, second network, and our first hop, which is our first hockey puck, our first router. We got our second hockey puck, which is our second router. We got our SP, which is our service provider. And we also have a ISP up there and a cloud up there. Second server on this side. As you can see right here, drew this up on the screen here, but I wanted for you to see me explain this so you can get some kind of idea about how you identify the different networks and their IP address. Each network is going to have its own street name, and each host or workstation is going to have its own house address. So if you don't have the same street name, you're not on the same street, meaning you're not in the same network. And then we got our first server, which might be serving up websites. Server kind of serves, a router kind of routes its instructions to send maybe a packet. And then we got our switch, VLAN 1, that's going to broadcast. Then we got our SP, it's going to service provide. Second server, it'll probably serve up emails, for example. So what I'm doing here is just recognizing that there's multiple networks here, different networks. How to identify them is kind of like you and your neighborhood. You got a street address and you got a house address. Then you go up the street, it's going to be a different street address. So building a network, setting up a network, or identifying, it's kind of like a post office, you know. You can poke your head out the door and see your neighbors right up the street. You can take them a piece of mail, but you can't see the other streets when you consider a network. So you have to put that piece of mail in the mailbox, or give it to the mailman or the post office, and they'll send it off to the next.